Don't.
Life means golden chance for improving our karmas. Life is very precious for doing better uh, our this birth and next journey. And although life uh, although I see everyone's life is very hard, uh, uh, but I think uh, this is why uh, uh, we can improve ourselves for each and every path, each and every things uh, we can improve our it
That's it. Okay. In the middle of the day, if anybody feels that I have a better thing, you can share your video then. अगर दिन में अगर आप में से किसी को लगे कि मैंने अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया है और आप बोलना चाहते हो, आप शेयर कर सकते हो अपना वीडियो. गीता, would you like to add on?
Yeah.
Start.
Hello everyone. Today's topic is life. Life is a very beautiful thing, and life is a very big word. I don't understand many few words in describe, because life is a when God you gives life and give you birth on पृथ्वी पृथ्वी को क्या कहते हैं earth. When I got his when I birth in human, and I feel everything beautiful, nature beautiful, everything flower, yeah. And we have when I that's it. I don't understand, and sorry. Today is
No issues, no issues. आज सब फंस गए.
हाँ. नहीं है बहुत सारा, मतलब मुझे टाइम लगेगा उसे समझने
आप
में,
एक काम करिए,
बताने में,
जब आप
बताने में
आप इसको अच्छी बार थोड़ा सा आप प्रैक्टिस करिए, कुछ चीजें आप बोल दिए प्रैक्टिस करके, और उसके बाद एक वीडियो बना के शेयर करिए ग्रुप पे, ठीक है?
मैम एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन टाइप के टॉपिक होते हैं तो लगता है कि आंसर किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, मतलब
कोई नहीं,
we get the direction in which direction we have to answer, but
that's right.
life it's a broad topic. We are not getting actually direction in which direction we have to go.
See,
and if
some topics you will get for introspection, which is very important for an individual. You will never think of life because your hands are full with so many things of responsibilities, right? This is a time where you will get some time. Now, like your next 10 to 15 years are really busy. After that, so this is a time we are giving you. You will get all types of topics. Economics topics also I will give you. I will give you current affairs also. Okay, for tomorrow, I am telling you the topic, how you have to prepare, so that when you're coming for tomorrow,
Upasana is doing very, very well.
Thank you, Vinti. Actually, I don't know, is there any improvement in my talking way, or I don't think actually, ma'am, is there any improvement?
see, it is only third class today. How are you expecting so soon?
No, but
See,
I'm very improve. Geeta Didi, in Geeta Didi, we can see the improvement.
see, you give yourself some
Thank
time.
you.
Don't compare.
Yes.
You give yourself some time. You have seen your first video, you will see your 10th video, then you will see the comparison. 2 क्लास एंड 3 क्लास इतने जल्द सबके इंचेस जल्दी कम नहीं होते, किसी के जल्दी होते, किसी के कम होते हैं, है ना?
But I'm enjoying these
Session.
classes.
I know because
Physics.
Same, same here.
this is the only time you get for yourself. मतलब एक light conversation की तरह. Am I right, Upasna?
Yes, ma'am.
What else do you like about the class?
I like my favorite thing is that I always try to speak in English, but due to hesitation, I never tried. But here I can do that. That's why I'm feeling happy.
Good. You get
I speak wrong sentences, wrong words, even though I'm happy.
that is the
I'm
best
trying.
part, that you are happy. Then second best part is, even if you're speaking wrong, nobody is here to laugh at you. We all are in the same boat. So that is why a learning platform is very important. जो सीखना है ना सीख लो, जो करना है कर लो. Okay, today I'll just share some vocabulary on rain. बारिश होती है तो बारिश में हम बहुत सारी vocabulary यूज करते हैं. अब मैं आपको कुछ वर्ड्स बताऊंगी. Have a look. It's drizzling. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है, हल्की फुल्की बारिश को बोलते हैं it's drizzling. It's raining. Can you see the screen? I hope so.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Yes, yes.
raining. जैसे बारिश हो रही है, बहुत तेज नहीं है और बहुत हल्की नहीं है, but normal rain है. तो it's raining over there. In my area, it's raining, but in Upasana's area, it's drizzling. And
Yes.
if I ask Geeta, she will say it's pouring. दिल्ली में तो बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है भाई, यहाँ तो रुकी नहीं रही है रात से. तो it's pouring, heavy rain, or it's raining heavily. ये भी हो सकता है. It's raining, it's drizzling, हल्की बूंदाबांदी है. It's lashing, heavy and intense rain. It's bucketing down. ये सारे आसपास है, बहुत भारी वर्षा, मूसलाधार वर्षा. It's raining cats and dogs. ये एक इडियम भी है, तो हम इसको बोलते हैं it's raining cats and dogs. बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, जब एकदम तेज छप 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 कर आवाज आती है, तो it's raining cats and dogs. It's bucketing down, it's lashing. इस तीनों का मतलब एक ही है कि बहुत तेज बारिश होना. It's wet outside. To get wet or to get soaked. I'm soaked in water. इसका मतलब है मैं ऑफिस पहुंची and I'm all soaked in water. I was drenched in rain. मैं पूरी भीग गई. तो हम इस तरीके से बोलते हैं. I am all drenched in water. I am drenched. I am wet. That means बारिश पे मैं भीग गई. इंग्लिश में हम ऐसा बोलेंगे. So let's repeat after me. It's drizzling.
It's freezing.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's pouring.
It's
pouring.
pouring.
It's lashing.
It's
Lashing.
lashing.
It's bucketing down.
It's
Bucketing
bucketing down.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's
Raining
raining
cats and dogs.
It's
at the
wet.
door.
It's wet outside.
It's
It's
wet
wet
outside.
outside.
Oh, I am soaked. I am soaked.
I'm soaked.
I am drenched.
I'm soaked.
I'm
I'm drenched.
drenched.
Yeah. So that's it for today. And now we come to the end of the class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy learning.
Thank you.
Today again we are uploading one video.